In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide someone's story on Instagram. Okay, so hiding someone's story on Instagram is super simple to do. Some people like to call it muting Instagram stories, which is the official term for it. So if I just go ahead and go to my homepage, you can see all these stories at the top. Let me just select a random one that I want to mute. So let me just select this one in the middle. All you need to do to hide this person's story is you need to long press on the person's story, and then this menu will pop up and it says view profile or mute. You want to tap on mute, and then it says you can unmute them from their profile, and you have two options: mute their story or mute story and posts. So you can decide if you want to mute just their stories or mute both their stories and their posts. In this case, I just want to mute their stories because they're kind of posting too much. So tap on mute story, and now they have been muted. And to find this person's account again, all you need to do is scroll all the way to the end of your stories. And if you have a lot of people that you're following, this is going to take some time depending on how many people have posted on their stories. And I've just gotten to the end, and you can see that person that I just muted their story, it's grayed out. So that means that they are muted. So that is how you hide someone's story on Instagram or mute someone's story. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.